Okay, dear friends, welcome and namaste. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about constellation, and it is very important in Vedic astrology. The reason is that Vedic astrology is based on sidereal zodiac, and sidereal zodiac is determined by constellation because the ecliptic, the great circle, the sphere is divided into 12 signs based on constellation, so that it is almost impossible to predict regardless of constellations. This is what Western astrology is lacking. Okay, so let's just start. What is constellations? Dear friend, when they viewed from Earth, uh, in the sky at night, they have different shape and patterns. Constellation means the group of stars in the sky, and there are altogether 88 constellations in the sphere, in the whole celestial sphere. But here in Vedic astrology, we should concern with only 28 constellations. Even in 28, one is opposite is not very important. It is known as the victorious and doubtful. Yes. So we talk about 27 constellations, what our Vedic astrology supports and takes into account. So what is constellations? So already I told you that. So it is the group of stars in the sky, and they viewed at night. Yes. And they have their own uh, unique qualities and energy. They have their own unique qualities and energy that influence humans' emotions, behavior, and destiny. Yes. So I want to bring clarity on the basis of what you say. This figure, I have drawn this figure myself, but I'm sorry for this because I'm not good at trying. I have just tried, yeah, to uh, give a focus or to bring clarity. Yeah. So, okay, please. So this is lunar mansion. Am I right? This is what lunar mansion. This is the ecliptic, the celestial sphere. Yeah. Suppose this is the space. Yes. And there are 88, what to say, uh, constellations. But in this lunar mansion, yes, there are 27. The group of stars when the moon, what to say, revolves around the earth, yes, to complete one full orbit, the moon has to faces 27 constellations, and the moon uh, resides in all these 27, what to say, nakshatra. In Vedic language we can say nakshatra also. Okay, so I want to tell you that. So each nakshatra is like a room or what to say section. All nakshatra is like a room or section where the moon resides along its path. So there are 27 nakshatra, and uh, just for symbol, I have given some dots, but they don't have these shapes. They have different shapes and patterns. They have different shapes and patterns, so we can view them in night. Yes, and it is of 360 degrees. Very simple. This lunar mantle, yes, 360 degrees. This orbit, this path of the moon while revolving the earth. Okay, and this is called in Vedic language Aswini. To the last one is Repti. Yeah, and its constellations are spanning 13.2 13.20 degree. And when we calculate 27 into 13.2, it means 356.4 degree. Then what about the rest one? There is lacking. The reason is that Abjit is not considered. And it also has a cover some place that is not counted here. This is the reasons. Okay. And each constellations is divided into four pada. Please try to understand. Each contains the spanning 13.20 degree. Yes, in 360 degree. And four pada. So four pada means here there are 27. You know that when we name a persons at the birth, we say your letter is this, your letter is this, like this thing. So every constellations contains four pada. So 27, yeah, into 4 is called to 108 pada altogether. So 27 constellations, 4 pada, each constellation contains is equal to 108 pada. Okay. Now, what about the zodiac sign? Suppose I say that my sign is means Rasi, yeah, is Miss. Yes, it means the first Aswini, Bharni, and what to say 1/4 of Kritika means each sign. For example, Aries contains 9 pada. 9 pada. 9 pada means here's two constellations. Two constellations, for example, Aswini and Bharni, and a quarter of this Kritika. So 9 pada is there. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 9. In this way, this ecliptic is divided into 12 signs according to the constellations. That is called what you say the chemistry, the methods of uh, constellations while predicting the one fate's destiny, futures, health, career, job. And moon is very important in Vedic astrology. The reason is that moon resides in every what you say the constellations. Yes, and each constellations remain there for 13.20 degrees. and the moon position in a nakshatra at birth called the birth constellations. So what is your constellations? So we say Mesh, Bani, Punarvasu, what you say, Revati, like this. So in this way it is determined. Constellation is determined in this way. Yes. So and each sign contains how many degree? 30 degree. 13.2. 13.2. Then appears a quarter of this one. So altogether there is 30 degrees. So one sign contains 30 degrees. Okay. And what you say? What are the constellations? Its qualities. Yes, its energy. We will talk in the next class, in the next video. And please, you are well requested to like, subscribe, and share because you are the source of my inspiration, motivations. Yes, so that thank you.